Hey there, Matt here with L&S Home Improvements. Today we're in St. Clair Shores and we're going to be going over one of our awesome follow-up processes.
Hey man!
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. So what we'll do is do a quick walk around together, make sure everything looks really good for you.
Well, I haven't found the nails, so I think the ground is pretty clean. Google search that I did had you guys rated as the highest in terms of reviews. More people said better things about you than any of the other contractors. I actually had neighbors come over and walk over and say, I've never seen anybody work together like this team of people.
Awesome.
They were consummate professionals at what they do. I mean, they were safe, because I was concerned about the slopes. Manager was outstanding with me, explained everything, no questions, first class.
Awesome. Well, can we do anything else for you at this point? Or are you 100% thrilled with it all?
I'm 100% thrilled.